Okay, in this video I am going to take you through the steps on how to complete challenge number 3, which is a dance party. So you'll click on this link. If you need to sign in with your Google credentials, do so. Here's our class code. You're actually finishing levels 1 through 13, so I'll have to fix that. Okay, so you're going to click on the link. The first thing you're going to do is watch the demonstration, and it'll give you some insights on what you're doing and how to create the code and so forth. So I'm going to close that out. Okay, so it says, let's have a dance party. Drag the Make a New block into the workspace and connect it inside the Setup block to create your first dancer. You can also click the light bulb to the left if you want more information or extra challenges. So how do I pass this level? Make sure a dancer appears on the screen. This level ends after 4 measures. Okay, so you can say, oh, we have a cat, okay, my first dancer, and then let's say we bring this in. Okay, we're only going to have a cat. Maybe I already did this. By the way, in the top left corner, it says select a song, and right now it's Madonna's Into the Groove. So if I play this, you're going to hear Madonna's Into the Groove. I'm just going to reset. You can click on the down pointing arrow, and there are lots of different songs here that you can choose from. So if you want a different song, go ahead and just go through the list and find something else that you are listening, that you were like this one. Okay, so you can change your song if you like. Okay, it's going to run for 4 measures, and then once it runs, it should tell you that you have completed it. So we're going to go ahead and click continue, and it'll take you to the next level. Again, you should watch the videos because it does give you insight on what you are doing and how to create the blocks and so forth. Okay. All right, let's get this moose dancing. Drag out the new dancer, do next forever block onto the workspace, connect it underneath the after 4 measures block. Your dancer should start a new move after the 4th measure. I already played this game, so my measures are all done. Measures are used to count and time music. So we already have set up, we made a moose. We're calling it new dancer, and he's going to be in the center of the stage. After 4 measures, we want to have the new dancer do a different move. So he can do a dab, he can do a drop, he can do a floss forever. So he'll continue forever. Choose your song. So whatever song that you want. Try this one. Okay, so after 4 measures, he's going to switch to the floss. Watch. Ooh, there he goes. And he'll do that for 4 measures. Okay, and let's go on to the next level. And now we're grooving. Add an after 6 measures block to your workspace. Make the dancer start a new move after 6 measures. So we have the duck. After 4 measures, I said that the duck has to do the dab, and then after 6 measures, and then you can choose what you want him to do. We'll say double down forever. Okay, so the duck is going to be in the center. After 4 measures, he'll dab. After 6 measures, double down. And choose a song that you like. Let's do a little Lady Gaga or Rain on Me. So after 4, he's going to start dabbing. Oh, and there he goes, dabbing. And after 6, he's going to do a double down, whatever that is. Oh, like that. Okay. I'll do that. 4 more measures. Good. Okay. And we're going to continue on to level 4. This dance needs some flash. Look for a new block in your toolbox that adds a background effect behind your dancer. Watch the effect change in time with the music. So I added this block that says set background effect, and you can choose one of these. I don't know what that'll actually do, but then you can choose one of these as well. So let's say we choose a rainbow, and then let's have our fancy dancer do Gingham Forever and choose whatever song you want. And there you can see the background now. And I didn't want warm. Let's say I wanted cool. I can reset. And you can see it's cool colors of rainbow now. Okay. So that's what that changes. And this will go on for 8 measures, I believe. Yeah, see these 4 measures to do the Gingham. Was wrong. It was 10 measures. Okay, we're going to go on to level 5. And we're going to use another new block to make the dancer change moves every 2 measures. Choosing next, previous, or random tells the dancer to perform a different move every time the code is run. So we're going to set our background effect, and you can set it to whatever you want. They set it to neon squares, so if you want to leave that. You can do cat, duck, moose, or robot. Called Crazy Cat, put them in the center. So this is the new block. Repeat every 2 measures. We're going to have the Crazy Cat do, and you don't have to do random. You can do, you can pick a specific specific move. I just did random just so it looks random, but you can certainly do a move forever. We're going to run that. We have our background with the squares, the neon squares, and every 2 measures, the cat is going to do a random. Oh, I didn't change my sound, but that's okay. But every 2 measures, notice the cat is doing a random move forever. Okay, this will stop after 12 measures. There we go. Okay. All right, on to level 6. All right, we need more dancers. Create a backup dancer called backup dancer to dance with the cat. So this one is provided for us. It would have been like this. Set background effect to, what do you want your background effect to be? So I'm going to say ice cream, I don't know, paint splatter. We have a cat. Well, let's do an alien as our lead dancer. We'll put that, we're going to put him on the left. And our lead dancer will do a random thing every 2 measures. Then we're going to make a new character. Oh, we'll leave it as a duck. He's called the background dancer. We'll put that at the right. And then we need the background dancer to do something as well. So what will the background dancer do? The background dancer will do, I don't know, a body roll forever. Okay, so let's see what happens. We have our paint splitter ice cream background. Our alien is our lead dancer. He's going to do random moves every 2 measures. And our background dancer just is doing the body roll because I set it to body roll. Okay. All right. Level 7. Please watch the video because you will learn some really important stuff. The videos are super short. They're only a couple minutes long. So it's important that you watch those. Every dancer has a set of properties that control what it looks like. You can make it look like a dancer is in the background by making their size smaller. And then it says, can you make both backup dancers the same size? So I think it gives you this. I'm trying to remember. So it says make a new, here. So duck is a background dancer and it's set size to 50. And then we have a new robot background dancer. We can set backup dancer 2 size to 50 as well. Our lead dancer is going to do next move every 2 measures forever. And our background dancers after 4 measures, I just have them doing fresh. I don't know if this was already there or not, but this is the code that I created or that I used. So I'm going to hit run. Hold it. You know what? I like to choose my song. Sorry. What do I want to do? Summer. We don't talk about Bruno. Oh my goodness. Let's try that one. You know what we don't have? Did I get rid of the... I'm resetting. I am making a new dancer, which is going to be the lead dancer, because we didn't have our lead. We didn't have a lead dancer. Maybe I deleted it by accident. We'll make our lead dancer the alien, and the lead dancer will be at the top. Okay, here we go. And now we have background dancers. So the lead dancer is doing a new move every 2 measures, but our 2 backups, if you look at the code down here at the bottom, are just doing fresh the entire time, okay? All right, moving on to level 8. Dancers have a tint property that can add a layer of color. Try changing the tint of one of your dancers. Tints will mix the color you choose with the colors of the dancer. So it's right here, set top dancer 2, and you can change the tint to a different tint. Set top dancer 2, and you can change the tint of that as well. And then you can also obviously change all of the new the dances they do or whatever. And you can also change the song. Watermelon sugar, sure. And they're all just doing the same dance, I guess. So we don't have any dances set for these guys. Oh yes, we do. After 4 measures, our top dancer will do clap high, and our bottom dancers will do drop. There we go. You can see they're clapping high and they're dropping. Okay. All right, number 9. Now we know how to change a dancer's properties. We can also make the same properties automatically respond to the music using this block, right? Unicorn begins, size, following bass. All right, so setup, go ahead and choose your setup, tropical, flowers, make a new shark, call him left shark, he's going to be at the left, make a new unicorn, call it right unicorn at right, and here's what we're going to add, these green blocks right here. So our left shark begins height, so his height is going to change following the bass sound. And then our right unicorn will change the width following bass. Okay? And then we have a repeat every 2 measures. Our left shark will do our next move, and our right unicorn will also do the next move. Okay, so let's go ahead and, I'm not doing jingle bells, that's for sure. Levitating by Dua Lipa. Okay. I don't even know what this means with bass. Oh, in the song, the bass. Are they even changing? I don't even know if they changed, but oh well. Maybe I should have left that song. Maybe that song had a heavy bass in it. Okay. 10. The when up press block lets you run code when the up arrow is pressed. You might change the dance move, change the dancer's properties, or do a quick move just once. Be creative and look out for new blocks. So our setup, go ahead and create a setup. So whatever setup you want to use. I'll say electronic. I already used paint splatter, so I'm going to do something different. We'll try a laser dance floor. We're making the cat on the left. We're making a robot on the right, and you can change these. Every 2 measures, we're going to have our left dancer or our cat do what? Do the next one, do a random one, and then when the up arrow key is pressed, our left dancer will dab. So it'll keep doing random things, but as soon as I press the up arrow, it will switch to dab. Okay, so summer is good. I'll hit run. So notice it's dancing. Watch the cat now when I press the up arrow at my keyboard. Oh, he's dabbing. He's dabbing. When I don't press it, he goes back to random moves. Okay, I'm going to press the up arrow again. Oh, he's dabbing. He's dabbing. Okay. So that's how that works. All right, moving on to level 11. It's time for a dance-off. The cat dabs when you press the left arrow key. Make the robot drop once when you press the right arrow key and clap once when you press the up arrow key. Use the keys to get the robots to do the drop and clap as fast as you can. So you can set your backdrop. We already have a cat and the robot. So here's what you have to do. You have to add when left key pressed. What they want us to do is when we press the cat, he's supposed to dab. Okay? When right arrow pressed, which is the right dancer, which is the robot, we have to make him drop. Okay? And then we have to do clap when you press the up arrow. So down here, if I move this up, you see when up arrow, our right dancer will clap. Okay? So now when I hit run, if I press the left arrow, my cat will dab. If I press the up arrow, my robot will clap. But if I press the right arrow, I'm sorry, left arrow. Oh, he's going to drop. I'm sorry. Right arrow is drop. Oh, you guys saw it. All right, number 12. Check out this block. Make 6 new ducks in a circle. Now you can create a bunch of dancers all at once. Try using some of the all ducks blocks to write code that will make all the ducks dance together. So we have, you can set your background, vintage what? Vintage angles. We're going to make 6 new ducks in a circle, and then every 4 measures, we are going to, what do we want the new dancer to do? We'll have the new dancer do a random move every 4 measures, okay? So, every 4 measures, we do a random move. Just dabbing. Oh, I didn't like that. I'm recording. Hold on. I didn't like that. Oh, do we have to name this guy new dancer? Is that why? Is that what I did wrong? Yeah, I gotta do this. Make 6 new ducks in a circle. I guess they're just gonna dab. Let's see if that works. I don't know if that works. Let's see. Oh, now it's just our big. He'll do a new move every 6. But it's okay. Every 4 measures. There he goes. Okay. Cute. He's cute. All right. Level 13. This is where you are creating your own dance party. So you are going to, you don't, don't do the same as me. You can, I would like you to create your own dance party. I'll use sparkles. 9 pineapples in a circle. Pineapple do next forever. Make new robot. Dancer 1, whatever. Just choose your song. Okay, so you're gonna make your own dance party. Um, when you are done, um, when you're done running this, you will click the finish button. Okay, and then you can just click finish again. All your 13 circle, it's going to give you the certificate. I'm going to go back to the activity because what I want you to screenshot, you're going to see all 13 of your circles are filled in. So it's time to screenshot. So click the search bar, open up your snipping tool, click new, take your mouse and draw a box over what you want to screenshot. Click your save button. I would suggest saving it to your downloads folder so you know where it is. And click save, and then you can turn it in Canvas, okay? All right, good luck. Have fun.